Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a Gmail account without a phone number. So let's get started. If Google is asking for a phone number when you're creating a Gmail account, don't worry. In many cases, you can still create an account without providing one. First, open your browser and go to the Gmail sign-up page. Click Create Account and choose the type of account you want to create. Enter your first name, last name, choose a Gmail address and create a strong password. Then click Next. On the phone number page, if the phone number field is optional, simply leave it blank and click Skip or Next. Google may allow you to continue without adding a phone number. Next, enter your date of birth and gender, then continue through the setup process. Review Google's terms and privacy policy, then click I agree. Keep in mind that Google may require phone verification in some cases based on your location, device, or account activity. If that happens, there may not be a way to complete the account creation without verifying a phone number. That's it. If Google doesn't require verification, your Gmail account will be created without a phone number. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more Gmail tips, Google tutorials, and tech guides. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.